Thank you for coming back. I wish this channel is helping you learn Korean. Today we're going to learn about 된소리 or double consonants or 쌍자음. There are only 5 쌍자음. The consonants 기역, 디귿, 비읍, 시옷, 지읒. So the consonant 기읍 plus another consonant 기역 becomes 까 or 끄. Then 디귿 plus another 디귿 becomes 따 or 뜨. 비읍 plus another 비읍 becomes 빠 or 뿌. 시옷 with another 시옷 becomes 싸 or 쓰. 지읒 with another 지읒 becomes 짜 or 뜨. 기역 becomes 끄. 디귿 becomes 뜨. 비읍 becomes 뿌. 시옷 becomes 쓰. 지읒 becomes 쯔. 기역 plus another consonant 기역 becomes 끄. 디귿 plus another 디귿 becomes 뜨. 비읍 with another 비읍 becomes 뿌. 시옷 with another 시옷 becomes 쓰. And 지읒 with another 지읒 becomes 쯔. So I'm going to give you some example vocabulary for these consonants to help you practice. 까. So for example, like 까치, 까마귀, 꿀벌. Now, 디귿 becoming a double consonant 뜨 is 땅콩, 딸기, 뚜껑. 비읍 becoming a double consonant 뿌 is 빵, 빨강, 아빠. 시옷 becoming a double consonant 쓰, 쌀, 쌍둥이, 새싹. 지읒 becoming a double consonant 짜, 짜장면, 찌개. And these are some of the example vocabulary for you to practice your double consonants. Now, I hope this helps you on your Korean learning journey. I'll be back next time for some new content. Thank you for listening. Bye. 안녕.